Okay, so basically I got this message. You can see it says check engine. Let's just make sure. Check engine and AWD system malfunction to AWD mode engage. Visit your dealer. I have a highway mileage on this car, but anyhow, it served me well. Let's see what's going on with this thing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is disconnect the battery and wait, let's say 5 to 10 minutes, and then connect it, and let's see if that would be a soft reset. Okay, so we come over here, and basically most batteries in the US or maybe elsewhere, you need to get a 10 millimeter, something like this. That would help you out. You loosen it, obviously, and I already did that just for the sake of the video. So I'm just gonna take this one off, put on the side, and this one may be a little bit harder. Just make sure you wiggle it, and you also put on the side. And I found a lot of you can say oxidation or dirt whatsoever. Just leave it for 5-10 minutes. So we're gonna do just a soft reset. Let's see what happens. Thanks. So I'm going to use a battery cleaner just to be on the safe side, and what I'm going to do is just shake it and spray, and that's about it. I mean, you can put it right there, put it right here, and it looks good and clean, and then you just wash it off. Okay, as you can see, I cleaned up everything, and you see they're nice and clean. The posts. So what I'm going to do is just going to connect everything back on. Here's my negative, and here's my positive. And then again, you got to get your 10 millimeter and tie up the whole thing. So when you see, it's like you don't want to over tighten it, so you want to make sure the same thing. And I waited about 5 to 10 minutes. I think 5 minutes is good enough, and then we're gonna try it to see if the message is gone or not. And we started the car, as you can see, and I don't see the message. So I did a soft reset by disconnecting the battery, clean the pulse and everything else, and I'm gonna drive it in a few minutes just around the block to let the ECU and everything else, it's all working and it's being reset, and let's see what happened. If the message comes back on, now I'm not a mechanic and I'm not doing anything other than what I'm just following everyone else, so you may just replace the battery. So just remember, anything that you see on YouTube or on the internet, you actually taking a advice or risk, but at the same time, hopefully help you save time and money. Thank you. Okay, so basically after I did a soft reset by disconnecting the battery for up to 5-10 minutes, cleaned the battery, the pulse and everything else, and I connected everything back on, and as you guys can see, the error message is no longer present. If it does come back again, most likely that your first bet is to start replacing the battery. If something else, it could be more likely the sensor, which I am not a mechanic or whatsoever. I'm an IT guy. You could see all my videos regarding about outdoor, nature, and the IT. Thank you all. God bless you.